What's going on, y'all? It's Dime, and today we're going to be cleaning up some old kitchen knives. We have a set of 3 here. They are, I don't know how well you'll be able to see this. They're Regent Sheffield. Let's see if I can get it to focus. Probably be able to see it better once I get them cleaned up a little bit, but it's Regent Sheffield stainless, made in Sheffield, England. Those are 3 of these right here. And then we have this one that says Old English stainless. And then we have this one made in America steak knife. This one is Forge Craft USA. We're just gonna be getting them cleaned up. And this one, you guys already know, gonna give it the usual treatment. Gonna burnish and oil this handle. Let's get it all cleaned up and see how this goes. Try and get these handles cleaned. We're going to be going over everything with some Neverdol. See how quickly we can get all that grime off of there. Get these little pins shined up a little bit. See how quickly this happens. There's a little bit of something right there. I'm not sure if that's chipping in it or if I'm going to be able to get that. I'm going to try and get that with some 1000 grit sandpaper. And that little spot came off. I'm hoping that little spot comes off. If not, whatever. It's patina, I think. Alright, there's part 1, getting that blade clean. Looks pretty good now. See that a little bit better. We're going to get this handle fixed up here in a second, but first, let's get these touched up. See how much I can get off all these. Let's take a real bad one. See how dirty this handle is. At first I thought this was bone by the way that looked. But it's pretty dirty. We'll see how good we can get this one. So that handle's pretty clean now compared to what it was. Let's move on to this next one. Got those pretty good. Let's get this one cleaned up. And I had just found these in my kitchen, sitting in one of the junk drawers. Some old kitchen knives that just got stuck in a little basket, put in a drawer we weren't using. Not part of our matching knife block set, so they needed some rescuing, I think. I was surprised to have them. Alright, last one we're cleaning, and then we got to get to customizing that wood handle on that one. And this is just a simple video, guys. We'll be getting to some builds and stuff here soon. Been trying to stack up some extra videos, so I'm not running, you know, video to video, worrying about getting it recorded and stuff a day or two before. I got a question for y'all. I got some other knives to restore, and I found this one. This is a quick cut stainless US. The handle's real dry rotted and cracking and crumbling. Would y'all like to see me take this handle off and maybe do a piece of deer antler? I think it'd be a cool video, restoring this and getting it to it, putting an antler on it. Because I got a nice knife roll full of my kitchen knives, and that one could go in there. Let me know what y'all think. Alright, other than my dirty hands getting these dirty. Say those are pretty nice compared to what they were. All the dirty handles, how bad they were. They're a little discolored, but not far. There's 3 of these. Regent, Sheffield, stainless. Regent stainless, Sheffield, England. That's what those 3 are. We have this one. That is Old English. And if you can see it right there in the middle, you can see an A. I believe that used to say USA. You can kind of see where there used to be some other letters before that little A. So this is Old English USA stainless. That's cool. I didn't see that before. So that one's USA made as well. Those three are from Sheffield, England. That's from USA, and this is from USA. Now let's get to burnishing and oiling this handle. See how this turns out. Alright, I'm going to do a rough sand of this real quick. Some 400 grit. Knock that loose carbon off the outside. Well, this handle's still warm from torching it. Gonna get some oil on it. That heat helps it soak into the wood, really hydrate it. Let that soak in for a minute. I'm gonna go ahead and oil all these as well. Then we get some moisture back into that plastic. I'm gonna let all these soak, and I'll get back to y'all in just a second when we're finishing up with this. Alright, y'all. I think that turned out pretty good. I'd say better than it was for sure. This is going to be going in my knife roll with all my other kitchen knives. This one right here. And these turned out pretty good. Got those handles pretty clean. Got all the gunk cleaned off of them. Not too bad. Here in an upcoming video, I showed you all that one kitchen knife where we're going to be maybe putting a antler handle on it. I think that might be cool. And then I have a couple others I want to restore. I found this one in the same little drawer. It's a Chicago cutlery. It's got a lot of chips and stuff. It's been used and abused. Tips broke. So we're going to have to come down from the top on the tip and grind it. And then re-grind this whole edge because it's got chips all up and down it. That's one we're going to be restoring along with this one. And I got this little paring knife, which I'm pretty sure is also this Old English company because it's the exact same handle and little bolster, but it's not marked. But it's got a broken tip and it needs some edge work. It needs cleaned up. So we'll be grinding it and this and redoing this handle. If y'all are interested in something like that, let me know in the comments. But yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to drop a like on the video. Comment down below. Tell me what you think of the project. if you'd like to see those projects I talked about, the other knives and stuff. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Trying to get to 500 subscribers this year. And yeah, we're well on our way. Thank you all for watching. Until next time, this has been Dime.